Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Grand Prix. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, one cargo area light.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.